Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel. In today's video we're going to be showing you how to put your windscreen wipers in service mode on any P3 Volvo. First thing you need to do is get in the car and put your keys in the ignition, but not press the ignition button. So as you can see, my keys are just here. I'm just going to push them in like so. That's all we need to do, and then you just need to hold up on the stalk and the wipers will go into the service position just like that. And then you can take your key out and access the wipers as you would normally if you were going to change them or wash the car, etc. To return them to their down position, all you need to do, again, go into the car, put your keys into the ignition like so, turn the ignition on, and as you can see they've returned back to where they are. And that's it guys, that's all you need to know, how to put your wipers into the service position. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.